Hello, if you are wondering if TOZO Crystal Pods have an app that you can download on your phone in order to manage your pods, then the answer is yes. So you can go to the Play Store if you are on the Android or to the App Store if you are on iOS, and you should be able to search for the TOZO app, which looks like this. This is the app that you want to install if you want to customize your earbuds with your phone. Of course, once you download it, you can open it, and let's proceed. And you will need to, well, you don't have to log in or create an account because you can simply skip. But of course, if you want to, you can create an account by using this register text over here. Or if you have used TOZO earbuds before and you have created your account, then you can just simply log in. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!